You're at 6K right now. Come on, bhai. तुम कर सकते हो. 21. 3K in the green zone. Come on. When you're in the green zone, you gotta get this. Still on your 11. 15. That doesn't count. The PR for pull-ups today was 25, and the amount that we've spent on this entire challenge was. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are at the Zone 360 Degree Gym in Bandra today, and once again, we'll be giving out cash for a health and fitness challenge. Today, we'll be giving away $1,000 for every single pull-up, but here's the catch. This only applies after doing 15 strict pull-ups. Let's see who can complete this challenge. Hi, what's your name?
Isaac.
How many pull-ups do you usually do in your sets?
10.
10? If you cross 15, you're basically gonna get $1,000 for every pull-up that you do.
Alright.
Pretty good deal.
Yeah.
You don't lose anything if you go down.
Alright.
Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, great form. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, 10, 11. I'm gonna count that. That's 12. It's not a 13, but we'll count it as 13. Come on. Oh man. So that's a high score till now. What was going through your head towards the end?
I was trying to squeeze in one more.
Alright man, good job. Nice meeting you. Okay, so one second, before you go up, I'll just take a quick. Hi, so who do we have here?
Crypto.
How long have you been working out for?
2.5 years.
2.5 years. And how fit do you think you are on a scale of 0 to 10?
6.5.
6. And how many pull-ups do you think you're going to be able to do strict? No kipping, no rocking.
8 or 9.
8 or 9. Alright, let's go. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, all the way down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. 11, 12. Chin over the bar. 13. Come on. 14. Chill on, chill. 15. You're in the green zone. 16. 17. No rocking, no rocking. 17. Great job, man. Great job. So that's $2,000. Is this the easiest money you've ever made, or is this?
No, not easy. My hands were shaking at the end.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
There you go, man. Great job, cheers. Thanks for participating, brother. What's up, brother? What's your name?
Suleiman.
How would you rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 in terms of fitness?
7.
So how many pull-ups do you think you're going to be able to do right now?
I think so 5 or 6.
Strict pull-ups, arms straight, chin above the bar, then only I counted. 1, 2, 3. That doesn't count. 3 pull-ups. Look like you could cross 10 easily. Good job, man. Thank you for participating. What happened? Why did you go down so easy?
Very pumped, the body is pumped very
Oh
nice.
yeah, in the middle of a workout.
Yeah.
What day is it today? Chest day?
Chest day.
Chest day?
Yeah.
Fair. Cheers, man. Thanks for participating. What's your name? Zeton. How would you rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 in terms of fitness?
Barely a beginner, man.
So how many do you think you're going to be able to do right now?
I'll aim for 10. Let's see.
Alright, let's go. Strict pull-ups, chin above the bar, arms straight, no pushing yourself up. 1, 2, beautiful form. 3, 4, 5. This is how it's done, guys. 6, 7, everybody count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, easy money. 14, 15, green zone. 16, 17, 18, 19, chin above the bar. 20, 21. Come on. I'll count that. 22. 7K right now. Come on. Ah, man, that is a good number, man. Amazing. I'm gonna actually GPay you instead. Wait. There you go. That is 7K, brother. Great job. Cheers. Nice meeting you. We have our first woman contender on the channel right now. How many do you think you can do?
I'm going to try for a couple of them actually.
Okay, we're going to bring down the threshold. If she crosses 5, she's going to get $1,000 for each and every pull-up that she does. I hope you're not hustling us. And then now you're going to straight bang out 30 pull-ups. 1. Nearly one and a quarter. Anything? I think this is more of a dead hang challenge than a pull-up at this point. Thank you for trying. That's the most important thing. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have our first professional who's gonna try the challenge. What's your name?
Dayan.
How many pull-ups do you think you're gonna be able to do? Strict.
I think 20.
All right, let's see what you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great form. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Still going strong. 13, 14. No rocking. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You're breaking your own record. 21. No kipping. 22, 23. Great job, man. 24. 25. Lovely. Great job, man. Great job. How much has he just won? Not 25. Sorry, after 15, 10,000, okay? There you go, man. The easiest money you've ever made?
Yeah.
Cheers. Good job, man. Hey, what's your name?
Asad.
How would you rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 in terms of fitness?
4.5.
How many pull-ups do you think you're going to give us today?
Maybe 26, 27.
26, 27. This guy's going to bankrupt me. But that's a good thing because we want people to win the challenge. It's a big one. 1, 2. Arm straight. That doesn't count. That doesn't count either. We're at 2 right now. 3. All the way down, boss. All the way down. 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight arm, straight arm, straight arm. 7. Yeah, chin above the bar. You're at 7. Come on, you got this. Come on. Come on, the crowd's with
Maybe
you.
26, 27.
They left me hanging. It's all good. Dude. Yeah. Thank you for participating. So, what is your name, sir?
Parvez Qureshi.
Parvez, how old are you?
I'm 51.
You're so fit. How long have you been working out?
I'm working from last 25 years.
Big expectation from you on the challenge. How many pull-ups do you think you're going to be able to do?
Maybe 15?
All right, let's do it. Any last words?
No.
1, 2, good form. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, good form. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Come on, you're 18. Oh, good job, yaar. That is insane fitness. Wait, let me see if I counted correctly. 1, 2, one more. Thanks so much. What was going on through your head while you were doing it?
I just wanted to give my best.
Good job, man. Thank you so much for participating. Hey, brother, who do we have here today?
South.
How would you rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 in terms of fitness? 3. So what's like your PR on pull-ups?
4.
Every pull-up you do above 15 gets you $1,000. Okay. So you gotta get your best today. All right, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good form. 6, 7, 8. Straight arms. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Come on, you're in the green zone. 18, 19, 25K, 21, 22, 7K in, come on. 23. Come on. I'll count that. 24. Come on, bro. Come on, brother. Good job, man. That's 24. That's 9K. Really? Good job, man. Did you think that you're going to come to the gym today and make 9K?
No.
What's your GPA? Really? Appreciate. Right. So this is our most enthusiastic contender. Since the beginning. He's wanted a chance. So expecting big numbers from you. What's your name, sir?
Mohammad Muzammil.
How many do you think you can do?
I can do 20 reps.
Okay, let's go. Everybody has to count for Mohammed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15. You're on the green zone. 16, 17, 18. Chin above the bar. 19, 20, 21, 22. No skipping, no kipping. 23. That doesn't count. 24. I'm counting that. Come on, bhai. Tum kar sakte ho. 24, bro. That is still. What was the highest? 25. Chalo, one less than the highest. Still lived up to expectation. 9,000 bucks. आप सलमान भाई के फैन हो? Always. Okay guys, that's a wrap on today's shoot. Thank you guys for following this journey with us. The PR for pull-ups today was 25 and the amount that we've spent on this entire challenge was 41,000. So if you guys ever see us anywhere doing a pull-up, push-up, dead hang, any sort of challenge, it's the easiest money you're ever going to make in your life. Our mission is to spread the message of health and wellness in India. Thank you for being on this journey with us. Do like, share, subscribe. Stick with us. There's a lot more to come.